We talked about offers and persuasion, really. So you got markets figured out, then you got offer and persuasion. The better the offer, the least tactics you have to use on the persuasion side. But there is one tactic that if you're working on the offer, I think can help. One of the things that I like to do is bookend this same question. And I bookend it based on what they know at the time. So we started out, we just do the regular qualification part of the call, and then we go to the scale of 1 to 10. So hypothetically speaking, if there was a way to eliminate low quality leads, get pre-qualified booked appointments, and start getting results almost immediately. So this is just a flippant, throw it out there. On a scale from 1 to 10, how interested would you be in that? And so I'm looking for an 8, 9, 10. And I'm looking for that because I want them to say, I know why I'm here, okay? And you've got to prove this to me. So if they give me a 9, okay, that's fine. We're meeting each other. You don't got to give me a 10 just to play, but if they're like a 6, I'm like, okay, so what would make this a 10? Because aren't you here to solve a problem? I got to establish that first. So I always start out with that, and I've done that always. So I start out with that. And then I go through my actual presentation, and my presentation is to basically increase their belief before I get them to the offer. Now, before I present the offer, I do a how did we do? Do you understand how we eliminate those? So I go through each one of the points again. Now understand that I've just gone through, if I've done this right, if I know my avatar well enough, if I know my sub-niche well enough, I've already thrown a dart and hit the bullseye on their 3 core common beliefs. 3 is the magic number in my mind. You can bowl, and then with your offer, you can always, make things a little bit easier. But I do this, okay? I'm looking for an 8 to 10 again. And then I do this. This is the decide inside guarantee. Do you know who Jason Fladlien is? This is his guarantee. This to me is the easiest guarantee that you can make because it's one you have to make anyway. They've got a credit card, if they wanted to do this, they're going to do it. But we just relate it in this way. And so now this is where I've got to tell them once again, I know they're a fit for what we're doing. And ethically, I know they're a fit for what we're doing. I'm not trying to push somebody over the line that is not a fit for this. Okay, so those 2 things have to be in line. Based on our conversation, what you've told me about your goals and your business, I know what we can do for your practice. You're a perfect fit for our program. That's Jordan Belfort right there. Perfect fit, right? The reason I paused before our guarantee is because if I felt that you were not a fit, we wouldn't proceed past this point. This guarantee is for people we can help. Does that sound good? Is that fair? Now I've just told them, by the way, and I learned this from Jordan Belfort, Russell Brunson, and Jason Fladlien. I have to get my certainty, transition, but then do what? Ask for permission to sell. I am asking permission now to sell. I'm going to show you my guarantee. Is that okay? Yes. Here's how it works. The side inside guarantee. You can't make an informed decision by going through a demo call. You need to be on the inside and see how awesome it is for yourself. So you get into Patient Stream, make sure everything is what I've shown you and represented to you today. Make sure that that's all true. Make sure that you can get more new patients with it. Assuming it is great. If it's not for you, there will be no hard feelings. We'll give you your money back, no problem. They can't say no to this. If they're qualified, and by the way, I haven't even put my offer out yet. I've just told them that whatever I do offer them, they're going to decide once they're inside using it. Yes. So really, if I could say that one tactic would be the next thing I would try. Say, hey, and try one thing at a time, right? Don't just go through and rejigger the whole thing. You've already got something that you're working with. Just add that in and add that other one in and those transitions. And if you want, Josh, just shoot me a message. I'll give you the scripts.